In this video, we'll take a look at the oxidation number for N, just nitrogen. So nitrogen can have a number of different oxidation states, quite a few. The most common, -3, +3, and +5. But if we have just nitrogen in a chemical equation, like this right here, nitrogen isn't going to be by itself like this. When we see it in an equation here, it'll always be N2. Hydrogen also. These are diatomic molecules here, so you'll always have N2H2. Here they come together, they bond, NH3. Because nitrogen is a neutral compound, there's no negative or positive sign after it. Because it's a neutral compound, all the oxidation numbers add up to 0. This is called a free element. Free elements like Na, Fe, or H2O2. So free elements have oxidation numbers of 0. So both of these, their oxidation number is going to be 0. We have them combining together to form this NH3. Hydrogen, when it's with nonmetals, nitrogen's a nonmetal, that'll be +1. So we have 3 times +1, that's +3. This has to be -3. So here the oxidation number went from 0 on the N2 to -3 on the nitrogen in NH3. Let's take a look at just a few more. So we just did the NH3, we had a +1. Since we had 3 of them, that had to be -3. For the NF3, we have fluorine here. When we look at fluorine, fluorine is always going to be -1. We have 3 of them. Nitrogen has to be +3. So now we have a +3 oxidation number. For nitric acid, hydrogen is going to be +1. Oxygen, almost always -2. So we have to figure out what the nitrogen is. We have 3 times -2, that's -6, plus 1, that's -5. Here the nitrogen has to be a +5. So we have 3 different oxidation numbers, -3, +3, and +5. If nitrogen's just by itself, like N2, that's a free element, and that's going to be 0. So those are some of the oxidation states for nitrogen. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.